So the next part is multiplication of whole numbers. Like if we multiply the whole numbers like that, 3 into 5, so we will get 65. Okay, one thing is like that. Another thing, 200 multiplied by 10, so 0, 0, and then 10 to the 20 multiplied by 0, 0, wait a second, 0, that is 2, 0, 0, 0 and 2. So 2000 will be our result. So there are two methods, one is horizontal method and another is column method of multiplying. Now comes to the properties of multiplication of whole numbers. Okay, so the first property is closure property. So it states that if we multiply two numbers, then we will get the result as a whole number. Means if we multiply two whole numbers, then our result also be a whole number. Like 5 multiplied by 9, that is 45. So this is also whole number, this is and this is. Okay. Next is commutative property. It states that if we change the places of the terms in the product form, then there will be no change in the result. Like 5 into 9 or 9 into 5, both will give the 45. So there will be no change if we change the places. That is our commutative property. Okay. Next is associative property. Associative property states that like 7 multiplied by 4 into 9. So if we change the brackets, then there will be no change. Like association of bracket changes, there will be no effect on result. Like here 4 9 are 36 into 7. So 7 6 are 42 and 7 3 are 21 and 4 252. Okay, so 7 4s are 28 into 9, that is 252. So here the same thing is there, means if we change the association of bracket with the numbers, then there will be no change in the result. So these are the three property. The next is distributive property, that is important property. Like we have written 7 multiplied 4 plus 2. Okay, so here 7 will be distributed with these two values, like that 7 into 4 plus 7 into 2. So that is called distributive property, and this is called distribution of addition over multiplication. Okay, so that is called 7 4s are 28 and plus 7 2s are 14, that is 42. And same thing we can do for the subtraction also, 4 minus 2. So 7 cross 2, that is 7 cross 4, negative 7 into 2. 28 minus 14, that is 14. So distribution of addition, distribution of multiplication over subtraction, and here distribution of multiplication over addition. So that is the distributive property, means multiplication distribute over addition or subtraction. Okay. The next thing, property of 0. Property of 0 means if any number multiplied with 0, that will give the same 0 as a result, or 0 will be multiplied with any number, that is 0. That is property of 0. That is the basic thing, we know that. Another property, property of 1. If we multiply any number with 1, then it will give the same result, or 1 will be multiplied with any number, that will also give the same number. So what we have learned in this part, that is closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, property of 0 and property of 1. That's it for the multiplication.